Hello, welcome to our tutorial on designing the app bar of your mobile app with Swipecart. Are you struggling with customizing the app bar of your mobile app? Look no further. This comprehensive tutorial will give you a step-by-step guide on how to customize your app bar and give it a new look. A tailor-made app bar not only gives a unique identity to your mobile app but also serves the main purpose of making navigation an easier task for customers. With Swipecart, you can make changes effortlessly. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon to customize the app bar settings on your current design. Select Theme Settings. Click App Bar Settings. You can have first-hand experience with the changes from the preview section. You can give a fresh look to your app bar by changing the color of your app bar and font. You can determine the icons that will display on your app bar here. It can be a notification icon, search icon, cart icon, or favorite icon. You can show or hide them with the click of a toggle. Use the bottom radius option to give curved edges to your app bar. Leverage the elevation option to alter and provide an elevated look to your app bar. In the Select Logo/Title section, you can choose to display the logo or title. On selecting title, Home will display on the app bar. By selecting logo, you can upload the logo of your brand. Please note that the size must not exceed 540 by 180 pixels. Finally, configure the position of your title or logo to be center, left, or right aligned from here. Save the changes. Your app bar is now ready. If you want to be the first to experience it, select Preview to see the updated app bar on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your app bar on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.